In this lecture, we will look at digital marketing acronyms and abbreviations starting with A. Here is a list of acronyms and abbreviations that we will cover in this lecture. First is A/B testing. A/B test, also known as ABN test, let you test multiple versions of the same variable and find the one that works best for your users and drives the desired outcome for you. Some popular examples are email marketing, various subject lines, or the copy of the email, landing pages with various variations of content, headlines, images, search engine marketing, testing two ads against each other, display advertising, testing the creative and the message placements, etc. A/B testing is also known as split testing, bucket testing, and experimentation. Here is an example of testing on a landing page. All your website users are divided into two random buckets called A and B, and they are shown two different landing pages. Then the metrics of interest, conversion rate in this example, is captured, and then metrics are compared to see which version drove the most conversions. In this example, the conversion rate of landing page A is 60%, while the conversion rate of B is 40%. Assuming you got statistical validated results, you will go ahead and roll out A as the winner to all of your users. So A/B testing allows you to test which version is going to work for your users so that you can use that to drive higher conversions. AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. For marketing, AI enables automation, optimization, and measuring the repetitive marketing activities. AI also enables features such as product recommendations, search engines, programmatic advertising, marketing forecasting, etc., which leads us to the next acronym, which is AIM. AIM stands for Artificial Intelligence Marketing, also known as AI marketing. So we're using AI for marketing purposes. Artificial intelligence marketing is a method of leveraging customer data and AI to anticipate your customer's next move and improve the customer journey, providing them the right products, right path to conversion, hence driving the conversions. AIDA. AIDA is an acronym that stands for Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action. These are 4 steps of a purchase funnel, wherein customer travels from becoming aware of the brand to purchasing from that brand. AIDA model helps to explain how an advertisement or marketing communications message engages and involves consumer in making a brand choice. Here is the AIDA model. Customer moves through this funnel from becoming aware of the brand and then finally buying from the brand. This funnel is somewhat outdated and new models are being proposed, but till new models come into play, this is the widely used model. API, not really a marketing term, but has been extensively used by marketing analysts. And I often do get asked about what API is. So I decided to include API in this lecture. API stands for Application Programming Interface. API allows an application to extract and use information from another service or application. API takes your request for information or data, takes it to the provider system, and once the system provides the response, it brings the response back for you to use in your software. Think of it as a messenger who takes your request, gets the response, and brings it back to you. For example, you have a data provider, Google Analytics, that provides all the analytics data that it has collected for you to use in your application. Granted, you have access to that data. Your application makes a request, it goes to Google Analytics via the APIs, and then Google Analytics provides a response via APIs and transfer the data over to your application. Like I said before, it's not a marketing term, but it is used quite extensively in marketing when you need the data to make data-driven decisions for your marketing. You rely on several systems to bring that data back to you. Examples could be analytics data, email data, personalization information, etc. AOR. AOR stands for Agency of Record. Advertising, media, marketing, or creative agency authorized by a company to create advertising and to place advertising in media outlets on behalf of the company. Think of it as a contracted agent of a company. Many companies do not have these expertise in-house, so they rely on third-party agencies to do this on their behalf. Example, Wonderman is a marketing agency that I used to work for. It had an AOR relationship with Microsoft, so we were executing all their advertising, marketing, creative requests. AOV. AOV stands for Average Order Value. Average order value measures the average total of every order placed with a merchant over a defined period of time. Average order value is calculated by taking all the revenue within a specified period of time and dividing by number of orders within that specified period of time. That'll give you the average order value for that time frame. It could be a month, week, year, whatever time frame you want to calculate the average order value for. In this calculation, if a customer purchases twice, they are counted as 2 orders. So the calculation is order based, not the customer base. It is one of the most important metrics used in e-commerce. ATD. ATD stands for Agency Trading Desk. ATD is a team within an ad agency that executes online media buying for their clients using in-house or third-party tools and technologies. They buy and optimize media campaigns on ad exchanges, ad networks, and other available ad inventory sources. Earlier we discussed about AOR. ATD could be a team within AOR or it could be a separate team. So to recap, in this lecture we covered following acronyms: A/B testing, which also is known as split testing; AI, artificial intelligence; AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action; API, application program interface; AOR, agency of record; AOV, average order value; and ATD, agency trading desk.